we are looking at how to pronounce these surname. We'll be looking at how to say more names from the NFL as well. And the short story is that it is a little bit complicated. If we look at the standard pronunciation of the name is indeed as KELCE, and Travis explained himself in this video how to say it.
So I mean, I just kind of roll with the punches. I got Kelsey and then Kels. My real name is Kels. So I mean, I just kind of roll with the punches.
But then the story is a little bit more complicated. You got KCTV5 News also reporting
this giant conundrum. And actually, Kelsey just tweeted a few minutes ago back at Tyreek and Patrick saying...
So there's been a few exchanges of tweets right
Y'all
there.
been saying it right. One's my nickname and one's my real name. So which one is it, Trav?
Yeah, so there's a nickname and a real pronunciation for the name. The short story is that KELCE is the family pronunciation, or actually Kelsey is the family pronunciation, but KELCE is the standard pronunciation for the family name. So KELCE or Kelsey, it's actually both pronunciations are correct. At least now you know. More videos for you here to learn more names from the NFL. Thanks for watching.